second day here in Chiayi, and today is also our last day. We're going to the set of Meteor Garden finally, and I'm so excited. So, sa National Chongqing University daw yun. And it's currently like 5:55 in the morning. So, inagahan namin para maaga din kami makapag-check out and makabalik kami ng maaga sa Taipei. Finally here at National Chongqing University where the Meteor Garden was filmed. Pero parang nakakalungkot lang kasi it's raining hard today and naka-shoes kami. So, ang hirap maglakad tapos yung feeling na mababasa yung shoes mo. Actually, we've been here for almost like 30 minutes already and the rain didn't stop. It's still raining until now. So, pero tuloy pa rin namin. And while naghihintay kami, we've been researching about the spots to go, where to go here, since I think it's the campus is so big and we're trying to map all the spots that the series was filmed. Allowed to go inside. So, pagpasok mo here, so ito yung hagdan. So, pagpasok mo, yun yung hagdan sa baba. Oh, may bendo machine pa dyan. Counseling Center. So, magandang picturean doon papunta dito. So, kung mapipicture dyan, doon dapat. Since maulan ngayon, dito basa. So, doon tayo magpipicture. Okay, let's go. So, we're walking towards the saan namin lalagay yung camera namin. So, here pala maganda mag-picture. So, nandun kami kanina. Dito mag-picture. So, after nung hagdan, kita mo dito yung yung suspension bridge. So, after dyan sa hagdan, nandyan yung suspension bridge, kagaya kanina. So, after dyan sa hagdan, nandito yung suspension bridge. Tapos, I just recognize this one. Diyan yung nakaupo si Dalminse, tapos may trees sa baba. So, we're going there. So, this is the spot. Ito yung, ganyan pa rin yung, hindi nila tinanggal yung puno, pero may net lang siya. May nilagay silang net. Diba? Ito pa rin yung, ng puno. And this is the spot. This is the spot. So, ayan. This is the spot. Ayan. Ganda. Oh my gosh, this is it. Well, what? So this is the admin building. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-ingay. Baka palabas nito. Ayan ang amazing lakad. Maganda pala pumunta ng maaga. Actually, nasira na siya kakabukas siguro ng mga fans. Ng mga tourists. Nasira na. Wala na yung hawakan niya. So, dito yung locker ni Sanchay. Sa may leasing locker. Just the basement, guys. Pag pumasok kayo. Sa main building library. So, we're going to sarado pa. Now, we're going to the cafeteria. Pero, wala pang tao kasi sarado. Baka in-open lang nila. Yung vlog. Sana yung building yan? Oh, let's go there. I think it's on the other side. Yung may ground na blue, tapos round. No, I'm not going to take pictures yet. Uy, naka-record pa yan. Dumaan dito yung F4. Tapos, nakatingin sa kanila.
Tapos, may lalaki na. Parang sila ata ng uniform.
Oh.
Uy, para sa limit dahil, may sabi na, yung ganun ka tapos, hindi sa
I mean, ang purposeful ng blower pala na to, since umulan din sa Alishan, nung pumunta kami kahapon, dinamit din namin siya. Itong blower na to para matuloy yung mga shoes namin, mga jacket.